People of Hammerfest, Norway. It's pointless arguing with a Hammerfesting about what the northernmost town, city in the world is. They have it copyrighted, right? Listen, I love you guys, but what the heck is going on? Some people would say it's pointless arguing with a man with a pink beard. But I digress. You still my homie, but I'm gonna still say that though. Exhibit A, we have a map. Boop, boop, what? Ah, there we go. Hammerfest. You see where Hammerfest is? Right there. Okay? That's pretty north. And it looks like really north on Norway and all of Europe, right? Correct. But when I say I lived in the northernmost town in the whole world, that's because I lived in Longyearbyen, Svalbard. Okay? See, look. This is Hammerfest here. And Longyearbyen, Svalbard is up there. Okay, I don't know what they teach you in Hammerfest about the directions north, south, east, and west, but that is more north. Let's take a closer look. All right, Hammerfest down there, that's south. Longyearbyen up there, that's north. Now, between these two, Longyearbyen up there and Hammerfest down there, which one is more north? Case closed.